guys, it's me Tala and Sama. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the series Dogman and its author. But first we have one challenge. You have to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell in just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. If you liked and subscribed, please comment down below. Done. First, Dogman. This is the first book of the series. Dogman. It talks about Dogman and his adventure. Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties. It talks about Pitty, who wants a clone, and it turns out the clone is a baby cat. Dogman, Crime and Punishment. It talks about Dogman and the new mayor, and the mayor doesn't like him, but in the end they like each other. Dogman Fetch 22. It talks about a fairy who's in a show and she is not fair at all. Dogman Lord of the Fleas. This book talks about the flea's revenge from Petey, but at the end they will not succeed. Dogman Unleashed. It talks about Dogman and his troubles. Dogman Brawl of the Wild. It talks about Dogman going into jail and his friends try to save him and they succeed. Dogman Mothering Heights. It talks about Petey who wants to share to others about his mother, and he talks to Lil Petey and Molly, her friend, about his mother and they learn and his childhood. Dogman 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. This book talks about the fleas' revenge from Dogman, and they make a submarine, but they will not succeed. Dogman For Whom the Ball Rolls. It talks about a villain who was in the first book and he wants to take revenge of Dogman. Dogman and Cat Kid. This book talks about the movie of Dogman. They want to do a movie, but Petey wants to get revenge and he wants to ruin the movie. Cat Kid Comic Club. It's the first book of Cat Kid. It talks about Lil Petey and Molly, her friend, and tries to learn the frogs how to read and make comics. Cat Kid Comic Club collaborations. This book talks about two frogs and they do a comic and it's called Frogzilla. Cat Kid Comic Club Perception perfections. It talks about two frogs who aren't loving to each other and aren't nice to each other. In the end, they love each other and they became nice to each other. Cat Kid Comic Club on Purpose. This book talks about Cat Kid Comic Club, and they do comics and they play together and they play together and they make comics together. That's the end of our video. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Bye.